Alright guys, I just got my DocRace kit in the mail. UPS was just here. It's like 8 in the morning, so let's see what we got. I don't know what that's for yet. Looks like an oil drain maybe. Boost your potential. I like that. I'm gonna try and do that. This looks like all the fittings, the oil feed, the oil drain, all the coolant block-offs and the oil block-offs. And the freeze plug is in there for the return. Turbo gasket, manifold thing. Tired, guys. Oh wow. Brass T-fittings and the brass fittings for the coolant hoses and shit. Studs, manifold nuts, all that stuff. Some other bolts. Some vac lines. Heater hose. I've already done that for the oil drain line. It's more heavy duty than I thought. Oil feed line. It's coolant hose. Exhaust manifold gaskets. Back valve. A lot of stuff. Got a motive boost box, guys. DocRace. Warranty. Did not know it comes with a warranty. That's cool. Turbo blanket. It says DocRace on it. Portland, Oregon. The turbo. We got some V-bands, of course. Some other piping. CNC coolant pipe he makes. Things very good quality, it seems. I've seen some other turbo kits. They just kind of try to reuse the stock and hack it up, you know. The intercooler pipe, probably. You can see the turbos right there. Pretty exciting. Silicone couplers. This is probably a downpipe or something. Right out. Downpipe set up. It's the turbo intercooler hose. Intercooler pipe, I mean, not hose. Truly beautiful. A nice satin gray ice ceramic coat job. Thing's clean. Look at the welds. I mean, it's just good quality, you know. Can't beat it. That is a nice looking. It just looks nice, you know. Whiskey dump. Goes right here. Dual ceramic ball bearing turbocharger. Air cooled ball bearing center housing. Rotating assembly. Dual angular contact ceramic ball bearing units. Nice. Comes with a sticker. Gotta have that, you know. Got the turbo unboxed, unwrapped, you know. It's that's a big turbo. Even though it was like the one of the smaller offerings, that'll be good for you know, all the horsepower. But that's nice. Action right here. We'll be doing a white and green spring, which is like 11.5 psi. It's gonna equal to 20 basically, which is all I'm gonna run on this. I'm only running 93 octane for now. We'll do port injection in E85 at another point in time. Holy shit, that's nice. So I plan on exhaust wrapping this whole manifold as well. That's how you get it done right there. This is DocRace on it. Pretty sweet. You get the V-band connection. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap the exhaust wrap the manifold. That's probably what I'm gonna do today. Just for some extra heat protection, because these cars, this is gonna be a little. This thing's gonna generate some heat, you know, that giant ass turbo. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks.